Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Skytech Gaming O11 Vision represents a significant landmark in the evolution of high-performance pre-built desktop computers. It is designed to serve as a flagship model for users who require the highest levels of computational power and graphical fidelity currently available in the consumer market. This machine is built around a philosophy of uncompromising speed and visual elegance, utilizing a combination of high-end components that work in harmony to deliver a seamless experience. At the heart of this system is the integration of the latest technological advancements from the AMD ecosystem, which includes a processor and a graphics card that are specifically engineered to handle the demands of modern software. The system is housed in a premium chassis that not only protects these internal components but also showcases them through a unique design language that prioritizes visibility and thermal management. By choosing components that represent the cutting edge of current technology, this desktop aims to provide a reliable and future-proof platform for gaming, content creation, and professional workloads. This specific configuration is tailored for an audience that values both the technical specifications of a machine and the convenience of a professionally assembled system. It represents a shift away from the basic aesthetics of traditional desktops toward a more sophisticated and transparent design that highlights the complexity of modern engineering. The build and design of this desktop are centered on the Lian O11 Vision chassis, which is a structural marvel in the hardware world. This case is famous for its three-sided tempered glass panels, which create a panoramic view of the internal hardware. Unlike traditional cases that often hide components behind solid panels, the O11 Vision makes the hardware the center of attention. This design is achieved through a structural engineering feat that eliminates the need for bulky support pillars at the corners of the glass, resulting in a seamless look. Beyond its visual appeal, the chassis is highly functional, offering a dual-chamber design that separates the heat-generating components like the CPU and GPU from the power supply and storage drives. This separation helps in managing internal temperatures more effectively. The cooling system is equally impressive, featuring a 360mm all-in-one liquid cooler. This solution is essential for maintaining the performance of the high-end processor, as it uses a large radiator and high-pressure fans to move heat away from the silicon. The inclusion of addressable RGB lighting across the fans adds a layer of customization, allowing the system to reflect a specific mood. The build is further stabilized by an 850-watt gold-certified power supply, which ensures that the power delivery is both efficient and reliable during peak usage periods when components are drawing maximum current. The gold certification of the power supply means it is at least 87% efficient at 20% load and 90% efficient at 50% load. This ensures that every component receives clean power constantly. Performance is where this desktop truly distinguishes itself, largely due to the presence of the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D processor. This processor is a specialized piece of hardware that utilizes AMD's innovative 3DV cache technology. This technology involves stacking additional layers of cache memory directly on top of the processor die, which significantly increases the amount of high-speed memory available to the CPU. The result is a dramatic reduction in the time it takes for the processor to access data, which is a critical factor in gaming performance. With 8 cores and 16 threads, the 9800X3D is capable of handling complex multi-threaded tasks such as video encoding and software development without breaking a sweat. It operates at a base clock frequency of 4.7 GHz and can boost up to 5.2 GHz when additional speed is required. This high clock speed, combined with the massive cache, makes it one of the most capable gaming processors on the market. It allows the system to maintain incredibly stable frame rates even in the most demanding titles where physics and artificial intelligence calculations can often cause performance dips in lesser hardware. This level of processing power ensures that the desktop can keep up with the fastest high refresh rate monitors, providing a smooth and responsive experience that is necessary for competitive gaming and intensive productivity tasks. Working alongside the powerful processor is the AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT graphics card, which features 16 GB of dedicated video memory. This graphics card is built on the latest architecture, which focuses on power efficiency and high-resolution rendering capabilities. The 16 GB of memory are particularly important for modern games that utilize high-definition textures and large open worlds. It provides enough headroom to ensure that the system does not encounter memory bottlenecks when running games at 4K resolution or when using multiple monitors for a broader field of view. The card is designed to handle advanced graphical features such as ray tracing, which simulates the physical behavior of light to create more realistic shadows and reflections. In addition to gaming, the RX 9070 XT is a capable tool for professional applications. The high memory capacity is beneficial for 3D modeling, architectural visualization, and high-resolution video editing, where large amounts of data need to be stored and processed by the graphics unit. The graphics card is also designed to work in tandem with the processor through specialized technologies that allow the CPU to access the entire GPU memory buffer for improved performance in specific applications, making the most of the hardware synergy within the system. The supporting components are equally high-end, starting with 32 GB of DDR5 memory running at 6000 MHz. The 6000 MHz speed is considered the ideal target for the latest Ryzen processors, as it allows for optimal communication between the memory and the CPU's internal controllers. Having 32 GB of RAM means that users can run multiple memory-intensive applications at once, such as streaming software and high-end games, all without experiencing system slowdowns. For storage, the system includes a 2 TB 4th generation NVMe solid-state drive. This drive utilizes high bandwidth to deliver read and write speeds that are significantly faster than traditional hard drives or older solid-state technologies. This results in incredibly fast boot times for the Windows 11 operating system and near instantaneous loading times for games and large media files. This drive also supports advanced features like direct storage, which allows the graphics card to pull data directly from the SSD to speed up world streaming in modern games. The 2 TB capacity ensures that users have plenty of space to store their growing digital libraries without having to worry about running out of room. Every aspect of the hardware, from the power supply to the high-speed storage, is selected to ensure that there are no weak links in the system's performance chain, providing a consistent and powerful computing environment for any task. This desktop is best suited for a specific class of users who demand the best possible experience from their hardware. It is an ideal choice for the dedicated gamer who wants to play the latest titles at the highest settings and resolutions without compromise. The combination of the specialized processor and the 16 GB graphics card makes it a powerhouse for competitive gaming, where every frame counts. Beyond gaming, it is a highly capable machine for professional content creators. Those who spend their time editing high-resolution video, creating complex digital art, or streaming to online platforms will find the multi-threaded performance and high memory capacity to be invaluable assets. The system is also well-suited for users who appreciate high-end design and want a computer that serves as a visual centerpiece in their workspace. It provides a clear upgrade path for those who might want to add even more memory or storage in the future due to the modular nature of the internal layout. It appeals to those who want a premium, high-performance solution that works perfectly right out of the box, avoiding the technical hurdles involved in assembling such a complex machine. In a final assessment, the Skytech Gaming O11 Vision stands as a robust and well-balanced system that successfully merges extreme performance with a sophisticated design aesthetic. At a price of approximately $2,300, it represents a considerable financial commitment, but it is one that provides access to some of the most advanced computing technologies currently available. The careful selection of components, such as the high-cache processor and the 16 GB graphics card, ensures that the system is not only powerful today but will remain capable for several years of software advancement. While the high-end specifications might be more than what a casual user needs, for the enthusiast or professional who requires top-tier performance, this desktop provides a comprehensive and highly effective solution. The attention to detail in the cooling system, power delivery, and structural design results in a machine that is as reliable as it is fast. It is a premium product that delivers a high-quality experience for both work and play, making it a noteworthy contender in the high-end pre-built market. The balance between visual flair and raw computational power creates a product that satisfies both aesthetic desires and the rigorous technical requirements of the modern power user, ensuring that every task is handled with ease and precision. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.